Moving and positioning the Rotary LT35A lift table is made simple thanks to its 360 casters. All 4 casters can swivel a full 360 degrees, or they can be locked into the straight position to allow for easy straight movements. To raise the LT35A, simply connect your airline. Then remove the handheld pendant control and press and hold the up button. Once the lift table is at its desired height, release the up button and press the down button to lower it to its locks. To lower the lift table, press the up button until it's off the lock. Next, press and hold the trigger on the pendant to raise the locking bar. Then, press and hold the down button while continuing to hold the trigger. This will allow the lift table to be lowered. To adjust the secondary platform for fine positioning, simply release the red-handled swivel locks on both sides of the lift table. This will allow the tabletop to move freely. Make sure to re-engage the locks when fine positioning is not needed. To adjust fore and aft tilt to compensate for floor slope, use a 14mm or 9/16 socket or wrench on the tilt mechanism located at the rear of the lift table. Tightening will raise the side with the tilt mechanism, and loosening will lower it. Adjusting the side-to-side tilt is done the same way as the fore and aft tilt. Just use a 14mm or 9/16 socket or wrench on the tilt mechanism located on the right side of the lift table. Again, tightening to raise the side with the tilt mechanism, and loosening to lower it.